In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zapier subscription in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to manage your expenses more efficiently or just ready to explore other options, I'll guide you through the process to ensure you know exactly what to do. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Zapier website and log into your account. This is the official website, so be sure you're on the right page before proceeding. Logging in involves entering your credentials just as you normally would. Once you're logged in, pay close attention to the user interface. Now, with your account up and running, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You're looking for the Manage Plan option here. This is where you can access all your subscription details. Click on Manage Plan, and you'll be guided to the Billing and Usage section. This section contains various options related to your account financials. Here you'll see a Compare Plans button. Clicking on it will provide an overview of the available subscription packages that Zapier offers. At this point, you have a couple of choices. Instead of outright cancellation, one popular option is to downgrade your plan. Maybe you're not using all the features of your current subscription, so a more cost-effective plan could be the perfect fit for your needs. If downgrading sounds appealing, simply choose a plan with a lower monthly or annual fee. Follow the prompts from the system to make that switch. It's a streamlined process designed with user convenience in mind. But what if you're already on the lowest tier and still find that you need to cancel? In that case, there's another step you can take, which involves contacting Zapier's customer support. You can't proceed with this step in the platform directly, but here's what you'll need to do. Navigate to the Contact or Help section of the website and fill out the customer support form accurately. Be sure to explain your request clearly, specifying that you'd like to cancel your subscription. Once you've completed the form, submit it, and your request will be processed by the customer service team. This might take a little longer, but it's an effective way to ensure your subscription is properly canceled. And there you have it. Whether choosing to downgrade or fully cancel your subscription, these steps should empower you to make the decision that best suits your needs without any hassle. Remember, managing your digital tools is all about finding what's best for your workflow and budget. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful in managing your Zapier account.